Hello, this is Robert with American Preppers XJ. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install a Blue Sea two-way switch. So you can have power going to your grid tie inverter or to your charge controller. Right now I'm in the process of redoing my board here. I'm just combining everything, moving everything back, you know, making it look a lot cleaner. Alright, well, there's not a whole lot of videos on the YouTube about Blue Sea 6007 switches. There is some, but they don't explain anything, really. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration how I wired mine up and how you can, you know, do everything. Well, alright. Well, first of all, on back of this one right here, there's three hookup points for your positive wires. All right, you do not need to hook a negative or anything up to this thing. All right, in my pull out board here, that's how I have it going. All right, I have my positive and negative coming in, you know. And your negative has to go basically to your grid tie inverter. Alright. And then from your grid tie inverter, you have the power line going to the side hookup. Okay, so now your grid tie is hooked up. And you see how I have this green ground wire right here hooked up to the ground. This one here has to go to the control, that thing. Yeah, fuck, forgot what it's called. Charge controller. Sorry. That's gotta go to your charge controller, to your negative, and your positive on your charge controller just goes to the very bottom terminal on this Blue Sea thing. Alright? And for your main power to this right here, basically goes from your power inlet, your solar power. It comes down and goes to the top mount on it. All right. So now how it's set up. Then you have power. Then you're able to just put it on setting 1 to go to your grid tie inverter. Then you can go to setting 2 to go to your charge controller. And then, or you can go to 1, 2, so you have power flowing both directions. All right. I would show you how to do, you know, it all works. I mean, right now it's just going to my charge from my inverter, but anyway, sorry, I'm just rambling on. But hey, if you like my video, please give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel. It's at American Preppers XJ. I have other videos, and thank you.